Hello dear students and welcome back to Dr. Sourav's classes. So today we will tackle a classic from the Junior International Logic Olympiad. Okay, so come to the question first. Question is saying Suresh is a recovering liar slowly. Okay, he lies on 6 days of the week, but on the seventh day he always tells the truth. One week he made the following statements on 3 successive days. Day number 1, I lie on Mondays and Tuesdays. Day number 2, today it's Thursday, Saturday or Sunday. Day number 3, I lie on Wednesdays and Fridays. So on which day does Suresh tell the truth? Okay, this is a very nice question. So let's solve this. Okay. Basically, Suresh gave us 3 statements on 3 successive days, right? So, day number 1, he says I lie on Mondays and Tuesdays. Day number 2, he says today is Thursday and Saturday or Sunday. And day number 3, he says I lie on Wednesdays and Fridays. Okay. Now in logic puzzles, a liar is not just wrong. They are consistently opposite. So if a liar says I lie on Mondays and they are lying about lying, well, that's where the headache starts. Okay. So let's hunt for the truth day. So there can only be one truth day, right? So let's test the days like we are interrogating a suspect. Now, in logic, we use the reduction ad absurdum. Okay, and we assume a day is a truth day. If it leads to a contradiction like a logic explosion, then we toss it in the bin. Okay, now could day 1 be the truth day? If day 1 is truth day, then Suresh is telling the truth when he says I lie on Mondays and Tuesdays. But if he is telling the truth now, then day 1 must be the truth day. If day 1 is Monday or Tuesday, so he just said he lies on those days. So contradiction. So day 1 is a lie. Okay. Now, could day 3 be the truth day? If day 3 is truth day, he is telling the truth when he says I lie on Wednesdays and Fridays. That would mean that day 3 is neither Wednesday nor Friday. But wait, if day 1 and day 2 were lies, then day 3 is the truth. So let's look at day number 2. Okay. So, scenario A. If day 2 is truth day, then total actually is today is actually is Thursday, Saturday or Sunday. Now if day 2 is Thursday, then day 1 was Wednesday, and on Wednesday he said I lie on Mondays and Tuesdays. So that's a true statement, but we said he only tells the truth one day at a week. So if Wednesday and Thursday are both true, then Suresh's head explodes. So next, now if day 2 is Saturday, okay, then day 1 was Friday and day 3 is Sunday. Okay, so let's check it. Let's try day 1 as Tuesday. Okay, he says I lie on Mondays and Tuesdays. Since it's Tuesday and he lies on Tuesdays, so this is a lie. Okay. So wait, if he says he lies on Tuesday and it is Tuesday, so that's actually tricky. Let's look at the one day that does not break the universe, Tuesday. Okay, so day number 1 is Tuesday. Statement is what? I lie on Mondays and Tuesdays. So since he lies on Tuesdays, the statement should be a lie, but the statement is technically true, so logic error. Now let's try day 3 as the truth day. Now if day 3 is Monday, then day 2 is what? Sunday. And day 1 is what? Saturday. And day 1 is Saturday. He says I lie on Monday and Tuesday. So he is lying, so he actually does not lie on those days. No, that doesn't fit. Okay, so let's simplify. Let's look at day 1 and day 3. They are almost identical, right? And the key is day 2. If day 2 is a lie, then today is not Thursday, Saturday or Sunday. So if day 1 is Monday, then he says I lie on Monday. So this is a paradox, the liar's paradox. He can't say he is lying while telling the truth. So let's take Tuesday as the truth day. So if Tuesday, day 1 is Tuesday, the truth day, then he says I lie on Mondays and Tuesdays. So this is a lie because he is telling the truth on Tuesday. So again contradiction. So let's test Tuesday as day 2. Okay. So day 1 will be what? Day 1 will be Monday, right? Day 2 will be Tuesday and day 3 will be Wednesday. Now if day 1 is Monday, is the truth day, he says I lie on Monday and Tuesday. So again contradiction. If Tuesday, that is day number 2, is the truth day, then he says today is Thursday, Saturday or Sunday, but it's Tuesday. So that's a lie. Again contradiction. But wait, let's look at Wednesday as the truth day. So day 1 Monday, lie. Day 2 Tuesday, that is also a lie. And day 3, that is Wednesday, and that's truth. Now on Wednesdays, today says I lie on Wednesdays and Fridays. Wait, if he says he lies on Wednesday but it is Wednesday, he is lying. So the only way this works is if the truth day is Tuesday but not the day 1. So let's realign the days. Okay, day 1 is Sunday. Okay, statement says I lie on Monday and Tuesday. So this is truth. Day 2 is Monday. Statement is what? Today is Thursday, Saturday or Sunday. So that's also a lie. Day number 3, Tuesday. Statement I lie on Wednesday, Friday. So that's also a lie. Okay. Wait, let's check day 1 again. If Sunday is the truth day, he says I lie on Mondays and Tuesdays. Is that true? Yes, because he lies every day except Sunday. So on Sunday, he tells the truth by saying he lies on other days. Okay. So Suresh tells the truth on Sunday. Sunday is our right answer. Okay. So in the JILO puzzles, always check if a statement is self-referential. If a guy says I am lying and your brain should start smelling the smoke, that's the liar's paradox. Okay, so we have solved this question, the classic question from the Junior International Logic Olympiad, and you will get this kind of question over there. Okay, so for practice, we will meet at the next session with a new question of the Junior International Logic Olympiad, and that will be very, very beneficial for you guys. Don't miss that out, okay? So we will meet at the next session. Till then, keep learning and keep growing with only Dr. Sourav's classes. Bye-bye guys. Take care.